took this tree down, pushed it over. It almost hit the house.
Slide down.
And did it hit my house?
No. Missed the house. But I got the tree. It was gonna fall on the house.
Alright.
I had to.
Everything else has to be picked up then.
Well, it's just a little bit.
Alright. It's all you. It's all you.
Well, I missed the house. I caught my light pole there in my bucket. That's not too bad. But I'd missed the house. That was a big tree. That was a big tree. Big alder. Well, that will allow me to build my fence now. Right through here. I got some chainsawing to do. All right, well, let's get going. Burning up some limbs and stuff. Just doing some work in the yard, the little tractor. Took a few trees down. There's another one. Another one over here. So, no wine yet. Hope you have a good day.